It's very important that we as a family need to sit together and pray. Many a times we wonder, what prayer should we say? And thanks being Catholic, we have the Rosary to come to our rescue. A family that prays together stays together, and a wise priest once during his homily said, as a parent, make the attempt to say the Rosary. As a parent, make the attempt to go to church, because your children are learning from the examples that we create. And as a father of lovely 4 children, we do have a ritual, and I won't say it's a strict regiment, but we do say the Rosary quite regularly. And thanks to the wife, we finish with all our baths in the evening and bring out the rosaries. That's what is a favorite statement that she makes. So yes, we all sit together. The only dilemma we have, I have a 4-month-old baby now. There are 5 decades. What would the 6th member of the family say? So now we're already deciding, my 3rd child and Casey, who's 4 months old, will have to say the last decade together. So yes, coming back, it's very important, because soon after the Rosary, the children come to mommy and daddy, we take their blessings. It's a tradition that I as a child took blessings from my grandparents. We go to our ladains, we go to our... So we know the Rosary, we know how it's said. There's no major practice that's required for it. Being the month of the Rosary, if you've not started yet, my strong suggestion is take some time out. Get the family together. Make them say the Rosary. Make it more, what should I say, enjoyable by adding a hymn in between. Saying a little verse, dedicating each mystery to some, worries, some problems, dedicating it to a member. And your prayers, Mother Mary will answer them in ways that you can't really believe. But the Rosary does come to your rescue. So my only advice as a father, as a friend, if you've not started saying the Rosary, make it part of your routine. And your children will see that by your example, they will take it to the next generation to come. So pray the Rosary. Amen.